Hey there, DocuSign enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add fields in DocuSign 2025. If you're handling contracts, agreements, or any digital documents, knowing how to add fields is a game changer for accuracy and efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, this step-by-step guide will get you up to speed in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's quick and free. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and select or upload the document you want to work on. This could be a PDF, Word file, or even a blank template. Now, click on the Edit button to enter the document editor. You'll see a toolbar on the left side packed with field options. These include text boxes for names and addresses, signature lines, date fields, and checkboxes, perfect for forms and contracts. To add a field, simply drag and drop the one you need onto your document. For example, if you're adding a signature field, place it where the signer should apply their electronic signature. Don't forget to customize. Right-click on the field to adjust properties like size, required status, or even add conditional logic if you're using advanced features in the 2025 version. This ensures your document is tailored to your needs and reduces errors. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and then Send to distribute it. One quick tip: always preview your document before sending to catch any mistakes. It's a simple step that saves headaches later. There you have it. Adding fields in DocuSign is straightforward and powerful for streamlining your workflows. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.